Today we will start the topic. Today we will discuss the topic, how inevitable are startups, with our mentor and guide CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia ji. So my first question is, why is there so much of an uproar of startups in India?
Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. The literal meaning of startup is start and up. So this term was coined in 2013 at a global level by Eileen Lee, founder of Cowboy Ventures. Our dynamic leader, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, started the startup scheme on 15th August 2015. And the first circular legalizing the startup is on 16th February 2016. So startup has 6 qualities: innovation, scalability, wealth, employment, improvement, development, and scalability. I'll repeat because those are very, very essential. Improvement, innovation, development, scalable, wealth, and employment. I have made a coin, IDISV. So individual development is V. So startup is a must. And we have, about 2 lakhs startup. Our population is 130 crores. So we should have at least 13 crores startups. So startup is very inevitable for a growth of any economy. And India should be number 1 in the world, so we should have startups.
Very nice. So can you define scalability, the term which you have introduced?
The scalability is, what we have seen in our own life in last 5 years. The Ola, Uber, Zomato, Byju's, the Nykaa, Policybazaar. So scalability is one where your growth in the customers maybe 100% in a year, or maybe more.
Okay. Very nicely defined. How do you see the growth of startups in the next 10 years in India?
I see maybe 20 crores startups coming in next 10 years, because 65% of our population is under 35 years, those who are bubbling with innovation, enthusiasm, new ideas. So each one of them, I see every young person entering in the economic world is talking of a startup, is coming out with an innovative idea. Has an idea of improvement, development, and a plan, a burning desire to create wealth and to give employment in our country.
Very nice. 20 crore startups.
Yes.
Can be expected. Very nice. Huge scope is there.
Yes, yes.
The startups are coming up in which sectors mainly, actually?
The startups are coming up more in a service areas, because the startups is connected with like you see the policy bazaar. In the education sector, the startups, Udemy and Coursera, other courses. So like it's a huge market. The various other services required, like Nykaa startup has come up. So in service area, there is a great scope of startup.
And how government is supporting the startups today?
Government is all out, government had made 19-point action plan. There are relevant websites. I'm talking about startupindia.gov.in. Then we have standupmitra.in. We have a website, Invest India. We have a separate Department of Promotion of Internal Trade, DPIIT. So government is and startup will also get the benefit of MSME, other benefits as per their eligibility.
Okay. So government people both are trying for startups. So how CA can get the benefit of from startups?
CAs will be immensely benefited from the startup because CA comes into a picture before an entrepreneur think of an idea.
Superb, sir. I think it's going to be a big discussion. So we would like to say that this we will cover in our next video, upcoming video, how CAs and startups can benefit each other.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us.